Hey YouTube, it's your girl Alicia V, and today we're back again with a silk press. So I haven't done a silk press in almost a year. I would say maybe a little less than a year. But I have some new products. I have not a new technique, but I just have a bunch of new products. So we're gonna try it and see if they work. I have had some changes to my hair since the last time you seen my silk press video. So if you want to watch my last silk press video, pause this video, go watch it, because I've cut my hair since then. I've had some issues with my hair since then, but we trying to get back on a good pace, trying to get back on track. So I have some old products and some new products just to see, you know, is it gonna come out good. So I did cut my hair into like some layers, not even layers, like a shape, like maybe 6 months ago, and it was just I kind of butchered it. Honestly, I butchered it, and I had some pretty nice hair before that. I'm interested to do this silk press, one, because my ends are trash, so we're definitely gonna be doing a little trim, but not a deep trim, because I am gonna wait till I get to Memphis in a month, and my sister, who's a cosmetologist, is gonna like give me a real trim, a real cut. But we're gonna do a little something today because I don't have no choice. I don't know what my hair about to look like. I have no idea. I am going to be just as surprised as you are, because the cut was not cutting. The cut was definitely a butcher, to say the least. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to speed up a lot of this, but I'm going to tell y'all exactly what I'm using. So this is my hair. Like I said, it's colored still the same color that it's been since the last time y'all saw it, but if you can tell, like I tried to do like a curly bang situation, but obviously it kind of grew out a lot. But I did cut it into a shape, so I do have some type of shape going, so maybe it'll give me some body. But I'm using the camera blow dry spray first. Actually, I have this Bubble and Bubble hairdresser invisible oil primer. I might use this first and then this. But I want to section my hair into 4 sections, just so it'll be easier to blow dry. I did detangle already though, so this is not difficult to do. I detangled in the shower when I was washing my hair. My hair is shedding so bad. That's how you know it's time for a trim. It's shedding so bad. Use this Bubble and Bubble hairdresser invisible oil heat protecting primer. It'll be linked below. I'm just gonna do a couple squirts, especially close to my ends. And I'm gonna take my camera blow dry spray, which if you've ever been here before, you know. If you know, you know. Stretched, I'm going to go back in with my paddle brush blow dry. I'm just gonna run over it like 3 or 4 times. I'm using this BB hairdresser invisible oil, the actual oil now. Might take like 1. It's my first time using it, so I usually use Paul Mitchell skinny serum, but I want to try this. Okay, I'm gonna do 1 pump per section. I don't want my hair to be greasy. Make sure I put it on my ends. A lot more full than it used to be. Like, I used to have my complaint before was that my hair was like longer, but it was just like kind of flat and boring, but now I got like some body. I actually have body in my hair. Like, I love that. I love that for me, baby. So I'm taking my Conair flat iron I've been using for years. This is my favorite flat iron. Linked in the description box. If you watched me before, you know I love this flat iron. It's definitely a dupe for some of the more expensive flat irons, and I think it's like $40. I think I am going to upgrade to a new flat iron maybe in the new year, but this is like my 4th or 5th year using this same flat iron, so I can't complain, and I'm not gonna complain because she do me right. But I'm gonna put it on the settings, go from 10, but the settings go from 1 to 30. I'm gonna put it on 20, just because I don't need like the highest heat. I don't want it to be the highest heat. So yeah. So I'm waiting for that to get hot. I'm just gonna clean up some of this stuff because I got a mess going on, and I don't need a lot of these products anymore. I added all my products in before the blow dry, or doing the blow dry. I added in all my products. The only thing I might add on the end is this bread hair oil that I got. And that's just if I need it at the end. But honestly, I might not put any more oil on my hair. I might just wait until like some days go by and it get kind of dry, and then I'll add some more oil. But for right now, I should be done with the products. So I am gonna start from the back and work my way forward. Oh, my ends, Jesus. I'm gonna start from the back and work my way forward. So let's get started, baby, because I ain't got all day. I'm not taking super small sections because my flat iron is pretty big, and I'm just not. Baby, I'm just not. It's it, baby. not greasy, but it's just kind of heavy. Not like bad, but not great. I think that these two together are too much. Like, maybe pick one or the other. Like, don't use both. As you can see, I had to cut quite a bit off, and honestly it's still not like, it's not great. It's still kind of choppy. That's because I told you that I chopped my hair off, like tried to make like a shape with my natural hair, but I did it while I was curly, so I got like short spots, like short chunks. Like you can see, like right here, this chunk of hair is like shorter than the rest. Like, so I mean, it's okay for right now, but I think I'm gonna get my hair cut into a bob anyway, but not right now. Right now we're just gonna go through and put some, you know, some curls so it's not just like flat or whatever. But I will say cutting the ends did like give it some movement, even though it's definitely not, like, it's definitely heavier than I would like it to be. This is like 2 weeks in, like at least a week in heavy hair than what I'm used to having. So I will be redoing this like probably in 2 weeks. Usually I can make my hair last, my silk press last for like a month, but I might do this one again just because I don't really like it. But I don't like it. I mean, I don't like the way it really came out, so it's not gonna last as long as it normally does. But you know, that's cool. I wanted to try some new products, and now we see that new products are too heavy. I don't know. I just think I need to pick one, right? I don't need to use both. I think I need to use the oil or the primer, and I think I'd rather use the primer because I think that's where like the protection comes in. But it's still gonna look good. bathroom. Now this, it definitely helped. It doesn't feel as weighed down or nothing as it did before, but like I said, it's not like my ideal situation with a silk press, obviously, but it's still very pretty. It still came out really good. It looks so much better than what it looked before. So I mean, I still like it. Whatever. It still look good. I ain't gonna sit here and tell y'all that it don't still look good, because it still look good. It's just not as like silky like movement as I would like it to, but it still move. I still got it. But like I said, I might be coming back in a couple weeks to show y'all another one to like redo this, make it perfect, because right now it's not perfect. It's still cute, it's still giving, baby, but it's not what it could have gave had I not used both of these damn oils. And this says oil and this says oil, and I don't know why I just computed in my mind that this one was just like a primer. Like I mean, cause it's white, maybe, I don't know. The oil part of my mind, it didn't come out. It didn't. I still like the product though. I think my hair is so smooth and like very, very moisturized. Like it feels moisturized. It doesn't feel greasy. It feels moisturized, but it's just too heavy. Like I can tell I just used too much oil, but she's still giving. So let me know in the comments if you want me to come back and show y'all an updated version again of me doing this, but like using less of the products. I think I just used too much. I think I just used too much product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, everything doesn't always come out perfect. Sometimes you have to, you know, trial and error things, and I was filming it, so I had to just go ahead and I had already started, had to go ahead and finish it. So hope you guys still enjoyed this video even though it wasn't perfect, and I'll see you guys in the next one.